Hello everyone, this is Food and Travel Buddy. This is how to make chicken stock, and this is my first recording. I hope you enjoy it. Please have a time in reading this. First step before cutting is sanitation. Always use clean gloves and sharp knife. Always place a wet cloth under the chopping board so it won't split. You're cutting all of the ingredients. Always prepare two empty containers. One is for the trash and one is for the food. First, get the onion and just chop it into small pieces. Just chop it in small pieces. After using the chopping board, you just wipe it with a clean cloth. The same as the celery, I'll just chop it in small pieces. So as the carrot, just chop it. As you can see, this way I brought two containers. The other one is for the trash and one for the vegetable. Now turn the heat into high flame. And just place the pot into the fire. Just let the water boil in high heat. Now place the chicken bone into the water. Let it boil around 5 minutes. You can see this is after 5 minutes of boiling in water. As you can see, that's why I do the 5 minutes, so the dirt and other blood will float in the water. Now throw the water out of the chicken bone. Just let it cool normally or just pour a cold water on it. Put the chicken bones back into the water and it should be submerged. Now put all the chopped vegetable into the pot with the chicken bone on it. Let the water boil. When you see it is boiling, just turn it into a low heat. This is how it should be, and now put lid on it. After 4 hours, this is how it should be look like. If 2 hours is long for you, you can just do it into 2 hours. As you can see, all of the flavor and collagen is in the stock. Strain the chicken stock and this is what you get. Now, you can use it now for sauce or soup. It is better to use it tomorrow, so the fat will rise up and you can just remove it. But before refrigerating, always use ice bath method. So, what is ice bath method? Ice bath method is using water and ice to cool down food and stop from cooking any longer. This prevents any foodborne illness grow into your food while cooling off. The food danger zone is from 140 Fahrenheit or 60 Celsius to 40 Fahrenheit to 4 Celsius. Any cooked food should not remain into the danger zone for more than 2 hours. If it does, you can just throw it for food safety. After putting it into the refrigerator, it will be like this, like a gelatin. Just remove it into the pan where it won't break because of the strong collagen we made from the chicken bones. Just scrape any excess fat on the top. After removing it, just slice it. It feels like a gelatin. You can just wiggle it or do whatever you want. As you can see, I just portioned all You can use the stock you made for other day if you need sauce or anything else. You can now freeze the stock. It will last for 1 month or refrigerate it. If you want to use the stock, just melt it into a medium heat or low heat. Just melt it. As you see, after a few minutes, it melts. Now, you can use it into your different recipe that calls for chicken stock. I hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe in my channel and thank you for watching.